Hello students of Standard 7. Welcome to DAV Moil Public School. I am your English teacher Jagruti Meshra. Let's begin our today's online session of English. Today we will continue with the same unit, relationship. In this we will study today nurturing friendship.
Hello students of Standard 6. Welcome to DAV Moil Public School. I am your English teacher Jagruti Meshra. Let's begin our today's online session of English. Today we will start with a new lesson from your practice book, that is Tenses Part 1, in which we are going to study today simple present tense. Dear students, when we are reading anything, how do we know if the events are happening in the past, present or the possible future? In grammar, we indicate time by modifying verbs accordingly. Let us see how this is done. Worksheet number 1. Read the passage given below. Snoopy has an adventure. Snoopy is a lazy dog. He sleeps for more than 12 hours a day. Mrs. Arya scolds him whenever she finds him sleeping. One day, Snoopy was dozing in the sunshine when he suddenly saw a cockroach. He got scared and started barking at the insect. The family members ran down to the spot and saw Snoopy was jumping and barking at something which they could not see. Mr. Arya tried to stop Snoopy, but he did not stop barking. Mrs. Arya warned him that she would not give him dinner. Hearing this, he softened a little. He looked towards Mrs. Arya in a pleading manner and tried to tell her that he was trying to catch a thief. He had done a good deed, but no one understood what he was trying to convey. Nicky caught hold of Snoopy and pulled him in. Now, dear students, what we have to do? We have to read the words, phrases given in bold carefully. Different verbs are in different forms. Let us see what are all those bold words and phrases. Scolds, was dozing, saw, was jumping, ran, did not sleep, did not stop, looked, had done, was trying. Now let us carefully read the tense chart given below. In simple, present, past and future. Simple, go, goes. Does, go, does not go. Work, works. In past, went, did go, did not go, worked. Future, will go, will work, shall work. In continuous, am going, is going, are going, am working, is working, are working. In past continuous, was going, was working, were working. In future continuous, shall be going, shall be working, will be working. In present perfect tense, has gone, has worked, have worked. In past perfect, had gone, had worked. In future perfect, will have gone, will have worked, shall have worked. Now, refer to the tense chart given above and fill in the blanks with appropriate alternatives from those given in the brackets. The first one has been done for you. First, she is going to the market. Next, Ravi has gone to school. Lena will be working on the machine at this time tomorrow. Now, dear students, refer the tense chart and try to fill in the blanks with appropriate alternatives given in the brackets. Let us now move towards worksheet number 3. Again, we have to refer the tense chart and identify the errors in the following sentences. And what you have to do? You have to underline the errors and rewrite the sentences using the correct forms of the verb. Some sentences are done for you. First, they are eat food. Here, eat is the error. Instead of eat, what we will write? Eating. They are eating food. The cat has entering the kitchen. Here, entering is the error. What we will write? The cat has entered the kitchen. Third, the teacher will be teaching the class at this time tomorrow. Here, been is the error. How we can rewrite it? The teacher will be teaching the class at this time tomorrow. Now, dear students, the rest of the sentence you have to do. Dear students, now complete the following tense chart with appropriate form of the verbs give. In simple present tense, we can write, I give him a book. The same sentence can be written in simple past, I gave him a book. And in future tense, we can write, I will give him a book. In the same way, dear students, try to form the sentences with continuous and perfect with the same sentence. Next is, read the following story given below. Write the phrases given in bold in appropriate columns in the format of the tense chart given on page. Next, the tortoise has reached the destination. The rabbit is sleeping on the way. The duck left the race in between. The destination is in the direction in which the sun sets. Remember, dear students, simple present tense is used in 3 situations: in daily routines, habitual actions or hobbies, universal and factual actions. Example, he goes, they go, we eat, the earth revolves, they fight, she runs, do you know? Sahil gives, she does not go. Now, taking clues from the unit hobbies of my English literature, list a few things that you and your classmates do in your leisure time. The first one has been done for you. I paint clay toys. My friend Reena likes dancing. In the same way, dear students, write few things about you and your friends. Remember, singular subjects except I and you carries S or ES with the verb. You go, she goes, Mr. Arya and Mrs. Arya go. I go, they go, Snoopy goes and Shilpi goes. Dear students, describe your routine with the help of the pictures given below. I get up at 6 o'clock in the morning. Then Look at the picture and try to complete. Universal, habitual and factual actions. Habitual actions are always expressed in simple present or present independent tense. Universal truths, moral truths, geographical facts, mathematical facts and scientific facts which never change are also expressed in this tense. Let us see some examples. My father always helps me. This train never comes on time. She generally reads till late hours. My friends are ever ready to help me. The tutor usually comes late. Sita rarely misbehaves. He meets me so often. All these sentences we just read are illustrations of habitual actions or absence of actions. So they are expressed in simple present tense. Now look at the following illustrations. The moon reflects the light of the sun. Milk is white. If you love me, I love you. Truth always trumps. Love begets love. God loves all alike. All men are mortal. Death is certain. Now let us consider some illustrations of geographical, mathematical and scientific facts. Kashmir is in the north of India. Chennai is in the south of India. Water flows from higher to lower levels. Clouds bring rain. 2 and 2 make 4. 4 is bigger than 2. The higher one goes, the cooler it is. The moon revolves round the earth. Now look at the following picture and fill in the blanks. Some examples are done for you. First, the river falls from the mountain. The sun sets in the east. Dog generally bark at the strangers. Try to finish all the 3 now. Remember, dear students, in simple present tense, do and does are used to form interrogative and negative sentences. He does not, I do not, Ravi does she, do you, do aunt and uncle, she does not, they do not. Dear students, here we end our today's session. We will continue this lesson in our previous session. Have a nice day. Thank you.